Well, little late, but here's day one. Working on the new. I think I'm gonna run this car at the fair. It'll be a fair car. It smells as bad as it looks. So it was full of mice stuff in the door. It's still in the door, but cleaning it out little by little. It's it had these weird rims on there. So somebody must have really liked them, but they left them on here. So this is a $500 derby car. So it ain't like it's clean as can be. It's got no floors. I guess you get what you pay for. You pay $500 and you don't have a floor. You don't got there's nothing on the drivers. But it's a $500 derby car. You can't beat that anymore for a fair. So it ain't like I'm going out there and running weld. It'll be a bone stock car. I messed up and cracked the rear glass, so I've been dealing with that tonight. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to run this car. I don't really have another choice right now. So this will probably be the car. It's still got the donut on there. It's definitely, I've never built a bubble car. I've never built anything past 75. So this will be a first. I'll probably learn a little bit, maybe, hopefully. Probably won't learn much because the car doesn't have floors. So I'll learn one thing, and that's to buy a better car. But this side's got rims on it because this had a flat back here, and this tire back here was just awful flat. So did it with a little body hitting, got that finally in. So it looks good from this angle. So it looks somewhat good, but it doesn't look good on the other side. With these fancy old rims. So far, the car's been pretty easy to strip. Just with take the Sawzall basically to everything in here. I'll have to go get floors out of a different car out back. I actually think I have some in the shed, so that'll be kind of nice. Put some floors in it. Be nice to actually sit. Yeah, this is going to be difficult to mount the seat. Oof. I'll figure it out somehow. I'll buy some metal or something. But for a fair car, it'll do its job. That's all it's going to be, is a fair car. And it'll be bone stock fair. It's a 94 Buick Roadmaster, I think. I don't even know. I bought it like 2 years ago, and it's been sitting outside. So maybe a year ago I bought it. I think I bought it a year ago, yeah. But it's been sitting outside. Trunk, I don't have the thing open, but the trunk's actually pretty clean. There's really not many holes in the floor. You can't really see much daylight back there. So that's a good thing. But after this is day 2 of stripping it. I didn't do day 1. The motor was a pain to get out. It was stuck on one body mount forever, and then the firewall sits so close, and it was a disaster. But it's out sitting outside because I don't care anything about it. I didn't know if it ran. I don't even know if it turned over, so it'll be a scrap. So yeah, this is day 2 of the derby car. Technically day 1, but day 2 for me of building this year's fair car. And it's a bubble. It's a bubble.